In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create labels and organize chats in WhatsApp Web using the easiest method with the EasyBee Chrome extension. Let's dive right in and get you sorted with a seamless organizational setup for your chats. First, what you want to do is to make sure you have the EasyBee Chrome extension installed. You'll find this handy tool in the Chrome Web Store. Simply search for EasyBee and click Add to Chrome. This extension adds valuable functionality to your WhatsApp experience, making it easier to keep your conversations organized and manageable. Once you've successfully installed the EasyBee extension, go ahead and open WhatsApp Web in your browser. With EasyBee running, you'll notice a few new additions to your WhatsApp interface. There will be a top bar and a side panel that weren't there before. These new features are tools from EasyBee to help streamline your chat management process. Now, directing our attention to the top bar, you'll notice a plus icon. This is your starting point for creating a new label. Click this icon and you'll be presented with the option to create either a label, which serves a more personal or general organizational purpose, or a funnel, a more specific organizational tool meant for categorizing chats with more precision. Choose the option that best suits your needs at the moment. After choosing your preferred type, it's time to give your label a name. Think of a concise and descriptive name that precisely reflects the group of conversations you are categorizing. This name will help you quickly identify and access your labeled chats later on. With a name entered, it's time to bring your label to life. Click the Create button to complete this step. This will set up your new label and get it ready for use. You're not quite done yet. You'll need to populate this label with contacts. Go through your WhatsApp chat list and select the conversations you want to include under this newly created label. This is a strategic step where you actively decide which chats fit into the criteria defined by the label. Once you've selected the relevant contacts, hit the Save button. And there you have it. Your labeled category is now fully created and populated with the chats you selected. This labeled system will significantly enhance your ability to navigate through your WhatsApp conversations efficiently, and that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to utilize the EasyBee Chrome extension to create labels and organize your WhatsApp web chats with ease. Incorporate this method into your daily routine to stay organized and keep your communication flowing seamlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps keep your WhatsApp experience smooth and efficient.